Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some websites not opening in any browser. So first thing is that click on start menu and just click on settings and go to the internet network and internet and then go to the proxy, and here you should make sure to turn on this. Turn on automatically detect settings and turn off user proxy. Turn it off. The next step is close this and on the search bar type ncpas.cpl. Click on this and click on the network properties and go to the internet protocol version 4 and click on properties, and then here use the following DNS server. Type 8 here and click on OK, and then click on close and then close this. Then head over to your command prompt, run as administrator, and then type nnet sh space int reset and hit on enter, and then type net sh winsock reset, and just this is it. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.